What's going on, everybody? For today's video, I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in a very long time. I'm going to be doing a live cop for Supreme Week 6, I think. I'm not entirely sure. I believe it's week 6 though this time. Anyways, like I said, I haven't done a live cop in a very long time. I seen only one person requested it, but at your request, I will be doing that today. It's not a crazy week. It's the Lamborghini week. A lot of people think these are bricks. You're going to be able to get these under retail, which I do kind of agree with. I think basically everything's a brick. However, I think in the long run, these items will go up a lot. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be trying to get these items to hold for a while. I am going to be going for the skateboard, and I don't really know what else. I might go for the shirt, or I might go for the beanie. And I kind of want to get that camp hat. I know I said in my preview video that I thought that camp cap was going to do very well because of the American flag print. However, a lot of people do not really think it. They also think it's like a brick. I believe on StockX right now it's kind of under retail. But I don't know. It's the most hyped item on Supreme Community, so that also is kind of make me want to get it. But it also could be like a super brick. I think it's like $50 some, so that kind of sucks. But the goal with this checkout is I want one checkout with the free shipping to save me some money on the bricks that I'm about to acquire. So I've only done the screen recording once, and I think it kind of messed up. I probably should have tested this out ahead of time, but I didn't really have time to. So we're going to be testing the screen recording. Okay, I don't really know what's going on here. Obviously I should have did this ahead of time. But yeah, before I get into this too, I also have my phone next to me just in case I need to go on the app, because I've been taking nothing but L's this season. It's super hard to buy anything now. Like I said, I'm kind of in my own boat on this, but trust me, I kind of feel like Team Manual is on its way out. It's getting pretty ridiculous. We got the phone, we got the laptop. Let's hopefully get this W. I don't know if I already mentioned this too, but my voice is like completely gone because I'm super sick. Alright guys, we got 1 minute until the drop now, so I probably should turn on the screen record now. So let's get the full screen and let's start this. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we are on the website right here. I also forgot to mention too, a lot of people, I think they're trolling in the Discord, but I'm not entirely sure. But I did hear some people say that the Oreos might be restocking along with the Air Force Ones. I think that is all a lie, to be honest, because I haven't really seen Drops by Jay say anything. But who knows? They could be, they could not be. So that's going to suck though, because I don't know if I should go check that first and then go for this stuff or what. But anyways, we got about what is that, like 17 seconds left until the drop. Let's keep refreshing. Let's get the phone out. I don't really like using the mouse, to be honest. We got the new over here just in case we gotta go on over to mobile. We got I'm tripping. We got 4 seconds till the drop, and let's see how we do. All right, it's 11. Where's the new stuff? Okay, it loaded in, but now my thing's lagging. Air Forces are not in stock. Oreos are not in stock. So there we go. I just wasted all my time checking that. Let's get the board. Let's view all. I'm seeing some, I don't know if you guys can see this, but my screen is kind of lagging. Wow, I'm tripping. Where are the hats? Let's add this to cart. Okay, okay. My calculations were incorrect, so I gotta get something else. I think I'm just gonna get the beanie. So we got that free shipping up here. Oh, wow, the deck actually sold out. Okay. I didn't think that was going to happen, guys. Wow, the hat sold out. Nothing but L's over here, guys. I didn't see that coming either. Dang, the deck and the hat. Wow, I don't even know if I'm going to buy anything now. Wow, that is crazy. And that's still not even up there. Yeah, dang, because I don't really want to pay shipping. Wow, guys, this was a L, actually. Dang. That is crazy. Wow. And everyone's saying these were Brick City. That went quick. Dang, I would have took this a little bit more seriously if I would have known that. And the hat? Man, I gotta check that on StockX. And there's also kind of wild. They got the Oreos still chilling. So maybe they are going to be dropping those. Dang, though. That is huge bummer. And my computer was, of course, lagging. I don't know if you guys can notice that on the screen record, but the computer was, of course, lagging. Wow, all the decks went, which is kind of wild. I maybe should have just bought the green one. And that hat's gone too. Well, yeah, so we're obviously not getting anything this week, guys. Dang. Crazy. I didn't see that coming. Alright, well, I guess I could end the screen record. So, I don't even know if I'm really going to upload this. Maybe because someone wanted that. Let me save this, though, really quick. Because someone did want to see it. But maybe you guys can see what I'm talking about with all these L's I'm taking. Now, I will admit, that was my fault on that part. I wasn't really performing the best of my ability, to be honest, because I kind of thought that this was going to be a brick. Everyone else said it was going to be a brick. So I kind of thought like we'd have time. I even checked the sellout times. I know this sold out first in the EU, but it's still in stock here, except in small, but obviously that is a given. But wow, dang, crazy. The beanies are gone too. I don't know if I already mentioned that. They're still in the orange and green, but that's probably a given as well. While we're on here, let me go up on StockX. I know I don't got the screen recording going on right now, but I'll let you guys know. You might even be able to see it. So here we go. We got the Supreme Lamborghini right here, and of course there's a Wi-Fi lagging. Okay. I told everybody. Dang, last sale on that hat was $95. Dang, and no one believed me. I thought there was gonna be a dub. And no one believed me on that. But it only has one sale, so it could still go down. But let's see what else. I swear to God, if that deck is like in the 100, and I told everybody too that this deck was gonna be crazy. 95. So last sale is 95, but the lowest ask right now is 107. So you still could have profited, and a lot of people said that they would have been bricks. Dang, I really should have listened to myself this one time. Dang, I know. I'm sorry about those dogs going off in the background right now. Dang, I mean, I know I've said dang so many times, but that just blows my mind. That's so crazy. I thought it was Brick City and I would have some time to check out. Now my Wi-Fi is lagging too, so maybe that could have been the issue I was having as well. I'm so mad at myself right now. I can't believe that. Alright, well, I guess that's going to complete my video. I kind of went over a little bit on StockX. Honestly, the Lamborghini collection is not doing terrible right now with lowest asks and all that stuff. Let me hit the refresh real quick to see if anything goes up in price. Well, yeah, that actually went up $3. Okay, that's kind of wild. But yeah, I guess I'm going to end the video here. I might as well just upload this just so you can see the L that I had taken. Again, I do apologize about my voice because it probably sounds trash right now. So in a recap, again, like I said, I should have taken this a little bit more seriously. I kind of thought it was going to be like a walk in the park on this drop because it was supposed to be bricks. Things actually are kind of recent. You would definitely not lose money on this drop, like I did see some people say. However, the Oreos and the Air Forces did not restock, so that I feel like wasted like a couple of seconds of my time, and my Wi-Fi was lagging a little bit, so I don't know if you can see it in there, but I was experiencing a little bit of some lag. But yeah, anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. I will try to do another live cop when it is something maybe a little bit more hype, and actually I will be buying something because I haven't bought anything since week 2 now, which is pretty wild. So, like I said, I did try, though, all these last weeks. Don't get me wrong. I've just been taking L's. So maybe I'll try a live cop on the next week. But if you did enjoy this video, even though I didn't buy anything, I still got a lot of other Supreme unboxing on the channel. You can go check those out. And like I said, if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching.